Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Business Education Content Knowledge exam? This is Praxis test code 5101. Praxis 5101 is a test with several subtopics. This worked solution set covers the subtopic of communication and career development. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Question number 1. A new family is moving into the house next door. Your parents encourage you to go over and introduce yourself to the kids since they look your age and will likely attend the same school as you. As you walk over to introduce yourself, you see the kids on the porch playing a board game you are not familiar with. You become nervous that the board game will come up in conversation and that you will not understand what's being said because of your unfamiliarity with the game. This is an example of what type of communication barrier: cultural, physical, cognitive, or systemic. Physical barriers are related to physical impairments or obstacles. Cognitive barriers arise from differences in understanding or intellectual abilities. Cultural barriers involve differences in background, experiences, or practices that can hinder understanding and interaction. The unfamiliarity with the board game in this scenario represents a systemic barrier, which is caused by differences in societal structures or systems that can create misunderstandings. Question number 2. Career research might involve which of the following? Occupational outlook, online job resources, all of these, or networking. Occupational outlook involves understanding future job prospects and industry trends, which is a part of career research. Online job resources provide tools and platforms for job searches and career planning, making them an essential aspect of career research. Networking refers to building professional relationships to gain career advice and opportunities. Since career research can involve all these aspects, the correct answer here is all of these. Question number 3. Which of the following tools was created by the U.S. government to analyze the future job prospects of various occupations? Department of Labor Job Outlook Indicator, Department of Education Workforce Development Analysis, Department of Labor Occupational Outlook Handbook, or Department of Education Student Career Map. The Department of Labor Job Outlook Indicator and the Department of Education Workforce Development Analysis are not the tools specifically designed for analyzing future job prospects of various occupations, so we can eliminate them. The Department of Education Student Career Map is also not the correct tool. The correct tool is the Department of Labor Occupational Outlook Handbook, which provides detailed information about job prospects, expected growth rates, and other critical data for numerous occupations. Question number 4. What immediately follows the heading of a business letter? Signature, recipient's address, salutation, or body? The signature, salutation, and body do not immediately follow the heading of a business letter. The correct element that follows the heading is the recipient's address, which includes the name, title, and address of the person receiving the letter. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of communication and career development for the Praxis 5101 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck preparing for your exam. Bye for now.